The primary objective of steam drum is to permit separation of the steam from the steam-water mixture and houses the dry steam. The primary scrubbers, secondary scrubbers and the screen dryers are used to separate water droplets from steam. The separated dry saturated steam leaves the steam drum through saturated steam link pipes. The steam drum also functions the following: mix the feed water with the saturated water remaining after steam separation. The feed water lines are submerged in the drum water and must be arranged so as to avoid discharge of cold feed water against the bare drum shell, as temperature variations can cause severe thermal stress in the thick drum shells. Mix the corrosion control and water treatment chemicals. The chemical feed lines introduce chemicals in a manner which ensures rapid mixing with the feed water. The chemicals are generally added in a concentrated form, and it is necessary that the lines periodically inspected and flushed with clean water to prevent plugging due to reaction and deposition. To remove part of the water by blowing down to control the boiler water chemistry by dissolved solids content. Blow down lines periodically or continuously remove a portion of water from the boiler. Sufficient high solids boiler water is removed and replaced by low concentration feed water to maintain a desired concentration in the boiler water. To provide limited water storage to accommodate rapid changes in boiler load. The steam drum also has downcomers for supplying subcooled water to the heat-absorbing tubes, safety valves for high-pressure protection, instrument and water level tap-offs for various control instruments like the pressure measurement, drum water level instruments etc., an intermittent blowdown pipe to blow down water in case of any sudden upsurge of steam drum water level. The steam drum consists of 3 sections. 1. Water space, where a constant water level is maintained. Normally the water level is maintained at about 50% of the steam drum volume. 2. Separating chamber, where a mix of water and steam enters from the boiler's heat-absorbing tubes. 3. The mix of steam and water enters into the scrubbers from separating chamber and the steam enters the steam space of the steam drum. There are 2 stages of separation. Primary separation. Mechanical primary separators uses centrifugal force or radial acceleration to separate water from steam. They are mainly of 2 types. 1. Turbo separators. It uses radial acceleration method and it is achieved by the guide vanes imparting a spinning action to the water and steam mix, forcing the water particles to move outwards towards the wall of the separator, where it is collected. And 2. Cyclone separator. It also uses radial acceleration method and it is achieved by allowing the water and steam mixture to enter the separator tangentially to impart spinning action. Secondary separators and dryers are generally baffled plates or screens of wire mesh for removal of residual moisture from steam. The steam drum is the most expensive boiler component and must be included in any comprehensive inspection and condition assessment program. Inspection and maintenance of steam drum. Steam drum and internals inspection from waterside. 4. A visual inspection shall be done for corrosion of drum plates and other internal parts. Indications of corrosion may indicate a low pH or presence of other corrosive elements. An expert opinion shall be sought from a water treatment specialist. Check for the presence of scale or debris visually. If found, collect samples of it and analyze. Consult an expert opinion. Check for signs of pitting on drum plates. Pitting is generally caused by dissolved oxygen. Consult with the water treatment chemical supplier if any pitting is observed. Check for any other metal reduction in drum plates and internals with the help of visual, ultrasonic or biradiographic testing. Check visually for any sign of erosion on primary and secondary scrubbers. Make sure that all holding down bolts of separating chamber and primary and secondary scrubbers are secure. Condition of all chemical feed, blowdown and feed water lines inside steam drum for plugging, security, leaks, orientation. The steam drum shall be inspected externally for freedom of expansion for drums and headers, cracks at the stubs locations, outside corrosion of drums, if insulation is removed. Condition of outside drum thermal insulation. If required, replace or repair the insulation. Please like this video by clicking the like button below. Also please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.